Hey gorgeous, welcome to day 18 out of 30 days to softness. Day 18 is all about slowing down with one of life's most basic and necessary joys, eating. But before we get there, focus gently on the preparation of the food, from cutting your ingredients, seasoning them, and even down to the part where you decorate your plate and serve yourself. Do it with softness as you either listen to a nice smooth jazz playlist or you cook in silence and enjoy the sound of the dish cooking. Because you know what? In our busy lives, we often eat and cook quickly, and we do it without thought. But slowing down turns eating and the ritual of cooking into a dance of gratitude, and it allows you to prepare, taste, and savor, and truly enjoy. So just do that, queen. Just enjoy. Enjoy the cooking and enjoy the eating. So no phones, no rush, just you, your food, and your presence. Enjoy it, darling. Because you deserve to be served healthy, balanced, and beautiful dishes. And before I let you go, repeat with me. I savor each bite, each moment, and each blessings. Thanks for watching.